What's going on, everybody? Today let's take a look at how you can customize your brand on branding. To do that, first go to the settings page over here, and once this loads, you'll see, if you're on the Pro plan and above, some customization options here. So the first one is the logo. By default, you normally get the brandy logo like you see up here, but you can bring your own logo, drop it in there, and give it a second to load. And yeah, if you refresh the page, now you get your own custom logo. Now the next thing is the favicon. For those unfamiliar with the favicon, it's basically the image that shows up next to your website URL there. And by default, you get the brandy favicon, but if you bring in your own favicon like so and refresh the page once it loads, you now get your own favicon there. The other one here is the custom share image, which is one of the newer features that we're adding. And if I bring one in there and drop it in, give it a second to save there, and I go to the home page and click the copy share link button up here, and then go to a site like Facebook, paste it in. You see now your share image shows up there. Yeah, so that's the share image. Let's go on. So if I go back to my settings page and scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's a custom domain. As you saw there when I pasted the URL to Facebook, it was app.brandhq/Seahawk, basically the brand URL. But you might wanna bring your own brand here. So to do that, go to your domain provider. So in my case, it's GoDaddy, and go to the DNS page, and you'll see some explanation here. So you create an A record and you point it to this IP address. So if I come back here and create a new record, I say this is an A record. Now the name here is what you want it to be called. So if you want to be brand.yourwebsite.com, call that brand. And like they pointed out here, you can then paste that in there as a value. I already have this down here, so you see I already have brand and that address pointing there. So if I go back to my site there and paste that in, brand.seahawkmedia.com, and update the customization settings. Once I go back here, copy the URL like so. If I paste that in, you see now it's pointing to the correct brand. Let us know what you think. Otherwise, see you.